Good morning, Derek Bontrager here with Stutzman's in Hills, Iowa. Today we are looking at Topcon's brand new value line steering solution kit. I have in front of me this is the XC1 receiver, and actually this is the XC1 Plus. This is the receiver and the 10-inch screen, and then to my left here I have a steering wheel kit, the new electric steering wheel kit. This kit is designed to fit in just about any front steer vehicle from any time in the last 40 years, or when I say vehicle I mean tractor, but it also has possibly some golf cart applications or UTV applications, anything that's steered from the front. So what I'm going to do here, we're just going to do an unboxing video today. So I've got my trusty, relatively sharp knife here. We're going to cut this box open. I'm going to start here with the receiver and the touch screen. We've got, as I suspected, quite a bit of fluff. We'll just set that over here to the side, off of the screen, off of your screen, okay? The first box that we have here is the new XR1 receiver. Show you a picture of it, looks like that. We'll pop that open here. This unit is actually potentially sold, so I want to keep things relatively nice and clean looking. This is the receiver. That box right there. Topcon new receiver. This receiver, like some of the higher end Topcon receivers, comes with the ability to do steering. It has the steering inertials built into it right from the factory. That's been a long time Topcon staple of kind of how they do things. Actually, you know what? We're going to set this off to the side for right now. We'll set that there. We'll finish this up with a reboxing video. So put that back together. Set that aside. Here we have a number of stickers, decals. This is the new all-in-one harness. This harness connects to the battery, gives you a switch to turn it on and off with. One part of the harness will plug into the receiver, another part will plug into the console, and the third part will go to the steering wheel. So there is some options coming off of that harness to be able to plug in some additional things. If you were going to do like a isobus plug-in or something like that, that would plug in off of there. This steering kit is designed for steering. It can work as an ISO display. It does not have the task control functionality built into it. So this box here is our console. Let me get it opened up. Every company has to find the trickiest way to box things up. We've got a warranty card and a operating instructions sheet right here. Very simple, very basic. And okay, what do we have here? Looks like this, we got a box here that's got a bunch of hardware in it. We're just going to set that aside. I'm more interested in the console itself. Here is the new, this is the XC1 Plus console. Apologize for blocking your view while I open this up. This is the 10-inch screen. As I can see, it is still quite chilly from the box. It's chilly outside here today. New 10-inch screen, all touch screen. This uses the new Horizon Lite software, which is for current Topcon customers, it would look very similar to what they're already using. For new Topcon customers, it's designed to be very straightforward, intuitive, and easy to pick up for steering. Once again, like I said, we can steer or should have the ability to steer anything from like your, say maybe 1960s vintage old tractor up to anything fairly recent that's not already auto steer ready out of the box. So kind of put that back together here for now and set that off to the side over here. So, and let's see what else we have in the box. I think the last box in here, just have to do a little, set this down. Let's go this way with it. This last box is going to be I believe this is all hardware kit for our steering wheel. The steering wheel comes with a number of different adapters. Oh yeah, that's exactly what this is. And we are not even going to take this out of the box because this is boxed so nicely. I'm just going to take it and turn it and show it to you like that. All these different adapter kits are designed to slide, or to put the new steering wheel in place. Topcon steering wheel works that you take your current steering wheel off of your vehicle and you use these spline adapters. You find the spline adapter that lines up with what's on your vehicle, and then you slide that over your splines, and this mounts on the back of the steering wheel, or in the back or front of it mounts on the steering wheel, and you would slide that in place. And they give you all the different spline adapters because they're not sure exactly what vehicle you're going to go on. This way we don't have to order specific kits. That being said, there are some specific kits for certain models of, I believe, Kubotas and a few other tractors that these don't cover. These also in this box is the anti-rotation brackets that you're going to need with the electric steering wheel. We're going to take all this and set it all aside here, and we're going to open up the steering wheel box because I'm curious. While this steering wheel is similar to Topcon's current AES 35 steering wheel, it's built with a little more simplicity into it. That AES 35 steering wheel is actually a fantastic product. It's a very high torque motor, and it's got our little desiccant in there, a warranty registration card, and pull it all out. Oh, we're going to tip that up. This is the new steering wheel. I believe, can't remember what they call it, XW. I don't remember what, I believe the XW1 is the new model. So this new steering wheel, if you zoom in on that, all the buttons are built into the steering wheel. Now I believe some of those are redundant buttons that are also going to be on the screen itself. I actually haven't played with the software on this very much yet. So, but there's the ability to set lines to engage the steering. There's even a headland. There's on these, the headland turn buttons are on here. The headland turns is an unlock for all of these, but it is something that's built into the steering wheel. The idea with this steering wheel is, with all the different spline kits and adapter kits, you could potentially move this from one vehicle to the next, and all you have to do is pop the steering wheel out, move it over to something else. I foresee that we may have some people that will buy these and decide they want extra kits, and they will just buy maybe an extra steering wheel, or maybe buy an extra receiver or something like that. Just move the steering wheel or move the steering wheel and the console around. So anyway, that's the boxing so far. Look forward to getting one of these out and getting them in a tractor, and you'll probably see more from us when we do that.